shows something different from what when I'm trying to get a mortgage, it says something different. Your thoughts?
So, the reason why is because Credit Karma is a really good tool to use if you use it correctly. Credit Karma is great for pulling your reports and seeing what's on your reports and seeing who's looking at your reports. It's great for inquiries. It's great for looking at information and seeing, is everything, all of my personal information up to date? Has anyone ran my credit and maybe now something is, red flagging because my name is spelled incorrectly on my credit report? It's great for things like that. And especially if you want to get alerts, amazing for things like that. Credit score, not so much because they use a credit scoring model called the Vantage score. And most major creditors are looking at what we call a FICO score. And those are just two different credit monitoring or credit scoring models. Um, it really depends on what they decide to go with, but more of the bigger banks, when dealing with mortgages and car loans and things like that, are going to look at your FICO score and not your Vantage score. So the score you're looking at and the score they're looking at, and sometimes can be a difference of 100 points because it's two different models, and they are looking at different factors as well. So when you pull your credit score, even if you're looking at your FICO score for your mortgage score is going to be different than your FICO score for what it would be if you are getting car insurance or if you're trying to get an auto loan. So you need to know what FICO score you're actually looking at. I feel like Experian does a pretty good job of it, but there are multiple FICO scores for different things too. So you might have a couple of different mortgage scores. You might have a couple of different car scoring models. So it really depends on which one they're going to look at. But the more information that is there for you to look at, especially like I said on Experian.com, they will show you the different scoring models. It shows you the FICO score, it'll show you your car scoring, it'll show you your mortgage score and things like that. And again, it may not be exact the number, but it will be very, very close to the number that they're going to look at. So you're not going to be surprised. Versus going to Credit Karma and being like, okay, yeah, I have a 750 credit score and really it's 650. So that's the biggest thing.